Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on how to make this pattern, and somebody emailed me, and it is good, but I was trying to show off some other tools, and he corrected me on something. I started off with a square, and then I didn't do this. I'm going to show you the way I did it because I was going to show off another tool. And then I converted to a curve, and I took my shape tool and I take these corners and I go to windows, dockers, and corners, and I rounded them off a ½ inch. Well, it's in the center of the page so that I could control D and rotate it 45 degrees. And then I could weld it and get that shape with only the outside corners rounded. That's not how I did it because I kind of wanted to show it off because there's other things that this would not work on or would work the way I did it would be helpful. So I controlled D and made a duplicate and rotated it 45 degrees. Then I went ahead and welded that. And I need the outside corner, so I'm going to go up to Object. Well, it's already a curve now that I welded it. And I'm going to take the Shape tool and select all these. And then I'm going to hold down the Shift key, or this is what I did. And I'm going to deselect those nodes and then round them off. And now only my outside corners are rounded. But the reason I did this, well, I did it because I wanted to show off that tool. But the other reason I did it, because if you had a star, let's make it a 5-sided star. And let's type this in like to 53, I think, to make it flat. And go up to Object and convert it to a curve. If you only wanted the outside corners, you do the same thing, take the Shape tool. So you couldn't do this the other way. You select it all, hold down the Shift key, and it's going to deselect those. And then you can round up. I must have missed that one. So let's select all of them now. Hold down the Shift key and deselect the 5 in the middle and hit apply. So now only your outside corners are rounded. You could do the same thing by taking the Shape tool and selecting all these. It's a little bit harder, but you could grab the freehand pick tool and, well, maybe you can't. You could still use the Shape tool, select them all, and this time hold down the Shape tool and just hold, I'm holding down the Shift tool, and now only my inside corners are going to be rounded. That's kind of an ugly look. You probably wouldn't want that, but in some cases you might have to do. Or if you wanted, let's say you wanted that shape and then you want to do this, hold down the Shift key and select all, deselect those, and let's round these off like 1 inch. So you could have 2 different corners. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.